Welcome to another recording. Today, we're going to glue conglomerate and determine the best adhesives. Conglomerate is a composite material formed from ground natural stone, such as quartz, granite, or marble, combined with a binder, most often resin or cement, frequently with added dyes. Now, here are some clips showing the application of the ATK 351 adhesive. The next one is Kemispox V21, a 2-component epoxy. The thickness of our test samples is 2 centimeters. So, where exactly will these particular adhesives be used? For bonding things like countertops, shower trays, windowsills, and sinks. We are now applying the Acralock's Methacrylate 1015 white. Finally, the very last adhesive we're using is also Methacrylate, but it's an ideally transparent CC 1012. We will leave the samples for a full 24 hours. This is EP 351. The resulting joint is slightly yellowish. The resistance to bending and to breaking forcibly removed pieces of conglomerate. Kemispox V21, it is slightly yellowish in its coloration, but certainly less so than S351. The conglomerate, it still measures 2 centimeters in its overall dimension. Bending, breaking. We need to turn up the pressure a little more. We're going back to the tearing. I will. It wasn't the adhesive that failed, it was the conglomerate material. The material itself? Yes, exactly. From one side and the other. I mean in the sense that they're torn out pieces, right? How will the methacrylates turn out? There was no such power, was there? No way, it just rips out the stone. But that's exactly it. It's torn, a torn conglomerate. And this was glued onto a smooth surface, so it's not like it was meant to stick without any problems. CC1012, Acralock transparent. It's absolutely perfect. Here, you can clearly see the stone that was pulled out on a different color